Hi guys, first of all I'd like to say my last video, which was part 1, got over 700 views and took me to over 100 subscribers, which I think in 3 months is absolutely brilliant. You know, I only really started in July, so or probably end of July, August, so yeah, thanks a lot. It's been absolutely brilliant, and hopefully you'll enjoy it going forward. Obviously this project's going to be a bit of a long burner. It's going to take me a while to do it, but yeah, hit subscribe if you want to keep up with it. And also there's my other hill climb sprint car, which I've got a few bits to do with that up until next season, and then we'll have some days videoing and you know, when I'm racing, and then there'll be some other stuff in between. I need to get my missus a new car, and she's already looking at Copart to see what she can get. She's fancying Alphas, Minis. I quite fancy getting a Summit that I can turn into an hill climb car. But yeah, and then hopefully we'll get down to Monaco for Grand Prix again, as we do most years. So yeah, please hit subscribe and give us a like, because that then puts the algorithm, you know, it puts it on other people's front pages if they're interested in cars and stuff. So yeah, let's keep it going and enjoy this one. Cheers. Tell you what, you won't believe how much weight there is in all the shite that just comes out of the dash, and that's before I've taken all that out. There must be 30-40 kilos in here. I mean, dash don't weigh it on its own, but airbags weighs a ton. I've taken it out of that one, but it's I'll tell you what, there's some rubbish in there. Anyway, it'll all be coming out, don't need any of it. Might keep gear change though, that might come in handy. There we have it. I'm stripped down, or virtually stripped down, MR2. All heater controls out, aircon out, wiring out. I've just got a little bit of wiring to take out at the back there, and then that loom will come out. That sort of shit that we don't need. I was going to try and keep it road car, but unless something special happens, it'll just be race car only. I think I'm going to keep pedals. That's quite a nice pedal box, and I'll struggle to floor mount one from there. And I'll probably keep gear selector, but other than that, all gone. And there's your wiring loom laid out on a floor. The thing with working on old cars is a lot of stuff don't come out. It's just bobbins. It's you end up pulling your puddings. That's why I could never ever be a mechanic. Right, well that bolt ain't coming out, so fucking angle grinder. Who loves old cars, eh? What an absolute bag of shit. Now, never try this without glasses, and especially I'd recommend ear defenders, because yeah, that bit did go in my ear. Right then, this is possibly going to be how not to tip a car on its side. Who knows? jack handle. Fluids. It was at this point I was contemplating how I was going to jack it up, and then, well, I had an epiphany. Roof's getting painted anyway, so that don't matter. Let me just see how. Okay, now. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's some fluids coming out of it, but I have to put a card on its side. Now, bear in mind this is 25-year-old. I don't think it's doing too bad, really. I thought it would absolutely shot, but it's got a bit of surface rust, but by and large, I think that tub will clean up just nicely. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. Who thought you can lift a car on your own? Tub looks great, well happy with it. Yeah, it's surface rusty. There's some bits down bottom there that are surface rusty, but that'll all wire brush, it'll clean up. And then we'll just strip all bits off underneath. I'm going to keep them, the tubes that run through the middle, obviously, for water from radiator back to the new engine. I think everything else can go. If I decide to use a Porsche Boxster gearbox, then I'll have to put new cables in so all those cables can come out. Yeah, pretty good day really. I think I'm going to go in for a beer.